Imagine a world where robots are an integral part of our everyday lives, not just in factories or labs, but in the very fabric of our cities. Welcome to the age of the robotic renaissance in the built world. In this age of exponential technological growth, robots and artificial intelligence are becoming indispensable allies in shaping our built environment. These aren't just the robots of science fiction, but practical, efficient machines that are transforming the way we approach architecture, construction, and urban planning. Take architecture, for instance. AI algorithms are aiding architects in creating stunning designs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're enabling us to dream bigger, to envision structures that were once thought impossible. They're not just tools, but partners in the creative process, helping to shape the skyline of our future cities. In the realm of construction, robots are revolutionizing the way we build. They're laying bricks, pouring concrete, and assembling buildings with a precision and efficiency that surpasses human capabilities. They're tirelessly working around the clock, in conditions that would be challenging for humans, making construction safer and more efficient. And then, there's urban planning. Drones are now flying high above our cities, mapping out every nook and cranny with impeccable detail. They're helping city planners gather critical data, assess infrastructure, and make informed decisions about the development of our urban landscapes. But it's not just about the robots, it's about the collaborative spirit between humans and machines. Engineers, builders, architects, they're all working alongside these robots, learning from them and teaching them. It's a partnership that is driving us towards a future where our cities are smarter, safer, and more sustainable. This robotic revolution is also contributing to a more sustainable design approach. Robots and AI are enabling us to build smarter, to minimize waste, and to create buildings that are in harmony with the environment. They're helping us shape a future where our cities aren't just built by robots, but are built for a sustainable future. As we delve deeper, we will discover how this robotic revolution is not just a prediction for the future, but a reality happening right now. So let's journey together into this exciting era of the robotic renaissance in the built world. Before we delve into the future, let's take a quick look at the past. It's easy to think of robotics as a modern concept, but the truth is, the idea of automated machines has been around for centuries. The ancient Greeks conceptualized self-moving statues, while in the 18th century, inventors created complex automata like the famous mechanical Turk. However, it was not until the 20th century, with advancements in electronics and computing, that we began to see the birth of robotics as we know it today. The term robot was first coined in 1920 in a play by Czech writer Karel Čapek. Fast forward to the 1950s, when George Devol invented the first programmable robot, Unimate, which was later used in a General Motors assembly line. Robotics quickly found its place in various industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, agriculture to space exploration. The evolution of robotics has been fueled by a fascination with creating machines that can assist and even replicate human actions. From simple machines to complex AI, robotics has come a long way. Now, they're not just part of our industries, but are also shaping our cities and built environments. As we move forward into the age of the robotic renaissance in the built world, let's remember the journey that brought us here. How does a sketch become a skyscraper? With the help of robots, of course. Robots are no longer confined to factories. They're now assisting architects, turning abstract ideas into concrete designs. Imagine a complex cathedral design, intricate and grand. Now, envision a robot, diligently translating that concept into a detailed three-dimensional model. Let's hear from some architects who are harnessing the power of robotics. One architect tells us how robots have streamlined her design process, creating precise models in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. Another shares how robots can simulate environmental conditions, testing designs against wind, sunlight, and even earthquakes, ensuring the building's resilience before a single brick is laid. So, what's the takeaway? Robotics is not replacing architects. Rather, it's augmenting their creative abilities, helping them push boundaries and redefine architectural possibilities. As you can see, robots have become an architect's best friend, transforming ideas into tangible realities. Behind every robot, there's a powerful force that enables it to perform complex tasks with precision and efficiency. That force is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is the brain behind the brawn of robotics. It's the software that powers the hardware, the conductor that orchestrates a symphony of mechanical movements. AI algorithms are the invisible hands that guide robots. They allow robots to analyze data, make decisions, and execute tasks. For instance, when a robot is laying bricks or pouring concrete, it's an AI algorithm that calculates the exact position, angle, and force required for each move. These algorithms are constantly learning and improving, allowing robots to work faster and smarter with every task they perform. But AI doesn't just power robots, it works in synergy with them. AI gives robots the ability to understand and interact with the world, while robots give AI the physical means to act upon that understanding. Together, they're a dynamic duo pushing the boundaries of what's possible in architecture and construction. In conclusion, AI and robotics are a match made in tech heaven. They're the dynamic duo driving the revolution in the built world, from architectural innovation to construction revolution. Together, they're reshaping our world, one brick and algorithm at a time. From laying bricks to pouring concrete, robots are revolutionizing the construction site. The new age of construction isn't about hard hats and bulldozers, but about sophisticated robotics and artificial intelligence. These mechanical marvels are now capable of tasks that would have been unthinkable a decade ago. Take bricklaying, for instance. Robots have taken this age-old craft and turned it into a precision science. They can lay hundreds of bricks in the time it takes a human to lay a few dozen, with a level of accuracy that leaves no room for error. Similarly, in concrete pouring, robots are making waves. They're able to pour concrete with such precision that it reduces waste and improves structural integrity. The result? A seismic shift in efficiency. Construction projects that used to take months can now be completed in weeks, and it's not just about speed. Robots also bring a level of precision that ensures every build is as perfect as it can be. Indeed, robots are the new workhorses of construction, bringing unprecedented efficiency and precision. With great power comes great responsibility. As we delve deeper into the world of robotics and artificial intelligence, we must also consider the ethical implications that come with it. Robotics, while revolutionary, are not without their moral dilemmas. Questions about job displacement, privacy, and safety have begun to surface. Robots are taking over jobs traditionally done by humans, leading to concerns about unemployment and job security. On the other hand, the use of drones for urban planning raises issues about privacy. Are we comfortable with the idea of being constantly surveilled by these flying machines? Then there's the matter of safety. As robots become more complex and autonomous, how do we ensure they operate safely and within legal and ethical boundaries? It's clear that the robotics revolution, while exciting, also calls for responsible use and thoughtful discussion. We must strive to use robotics in a way that benefits us all, without compromising our ethical standards. Ethics in robotics. It's a topic that deserves our attention as we step into this brave new world of technology and innovation. While robots are hard at work on the ground, drones are reshaping urban planning from the skies. You see, the role of drones in urban planning and mapping is rapidly increasing. They are the new assistants to city planners, helping in comprehensive data collection and infrastructure assessment. Imagine a bird's-eye view of the entire city, captured in high resolution. This is exactly what drones provide. They fly over our cities and towns, mapping the urban landscape with precision and detail that was unimaginable just a few years ago. This data is then used to analyze the city's infrastructure, identifying areas of improvement and potential development opportunities. Drones also play a pivotal role in environmental impact assessments. They help in monitoring pollution levels, land usage, and even the spread of vegetation in urban areas. This information is vital for sustainable city planning, ensuring that we build our future cities in harmony with nature. These flying robots are providing a bird's-eye view of our cities, enabling smarter and more sustainable urban development. As we have seen, the impact of robotics on our world is profound. But what does the future hold? Experts predict that the influence of robotics will only grow as technology continues to advance. We're reaching a point where robots are not just tools, but partners in our daily lives. From autonomous vehicles to personal assistant bots, the possibilities are endless. In the future, we might see robots that can perform complex surgeries, help us explore other planets, or even become our companions. But with great potential comes great responsibility. As we increasingly rely on robots, we must consider the societal impact. Will robots take over jobs, or will they create new opportunities? How will we ensure the ethical use of AI? These are questions we must grapple with as we move forward. The future of robotics is a journey into the unknown, a journey that promises to transform our world in ways we can't yet fully comprehend. It's up to us to navigate this exciting terrain with caution, curiosity, and a commitment to harnessing the power of robotics for the greater good. In a world where precision matters, robots are stepping up to the challenge. On construction sites, these mechanical marvels are not only improving accuracy, but also enhancing safety. They are taking charge of tasks that once posed significant hazards to human workers. Consider a robot laying bricks or pouring concrete. With an ability to follow programmed instructions to the letter, it can execute these tasks with a level of precision that is simply unmatched. It's not just about getting the job done right, it's about getting the job done perfectly, every single time. Moreover, robots are quite literally taking the risk out of construction. They handle the heavy lifting, operate in extreme conditions, and even navigate high-risk areas, reducing the likelihood of worksite accidents. It's clear that the robotic renaissance is bringing about a revolution in safety and precision. With robots on the job, we can look forward to safer, more accurate construction practices. Many of us have wondered, will robots take our jobs? It's a valid concern, given the rapid advancement of robotics in various fields, including construction and architecture. Indeed, robots are taking over tasks traditionally performed by human workers, such as bricklaying, concrete pouring, and even design analysis. This shift could result in job displacement in certain sectors. However, it's important to consider the other side of the coin. The rise of robotics is also creating new job opportunities. As the demand for advanced robots grows, so does the need for people who can design, program, maintain, and manage these machines. These are roles that didn't exist a few decades ago. So while some jobs are being automated, new ones are emerging in their place. Moreover, robots are taking on tasks that are hazardous or monotonous, freeing up human workers to engage in more complex, creative, and ultimately rewarding work. Robots are tools that can enhance our productivity and allow us to focus on tasks that require uniquely human skills, such as strategic planning, creative problem-solving, and empathetic communication. So, the relationship between robots and jobs is complex. Yes, robots may replace certain roles, but they also open up new avenues for employment and make our work safer and more efficient. The key lies in adapting to this change, embracing lifelong learning, and preparing for a future where humans and robots work together in harmony. As we strive for a greener planet, robots are playing a crucial role. We're witnessing an era where technology is not just about creating convenience and efficiency, but also about ensuring that our actions are sustainable and eco-friendly. In the realm of architecture and construction, the use of robotics and artificial intelligence is rapidly changing how we approach design. These technologies are enabling us to think beyond traditional constraints and consider the environmental impact of our creations from the very beginning. Robotic systems and AI algorithms are now capable of analyzing various factors like energy consumption, material efficiency, and waste production in real time. They can predict the environmental footprint of a building before it's even constructed. This allows architects and engineers to tweak their designs early on, ensuring that the final product is as green as possible. But it doesn't stop at the design stage. Robots are also transforming the way we construct our buildings. Automation is enabling us to use resources more efficiently, minimizing waste and reducing the carbon footprint of construction processes. For example, robots can precisely cut and fit materials, meaning there's less excess and waste. They can also operate continuously without breaks, accelerating construction timelines and reducing energy usage. We're seeing some truly inspiring green building projects come to life through automation. For instance, consider buildings with self-regulating systems, where robots and AI work in harmony to control lighting, heating, and cooling based on the building's occupancy and weather conditions. Or think about construction sites where robots sort and recycle waste materials, ensuring that nothing goes to landfill unnecessarily. These are just a few examples of how robotics and AI are pushing the boundaries of sustainable design. They show us that with the right technology, we can create buildings that are not just functional and beautiful, but also kind to our planet. Through the power of robotics, we are paving the way for a sustainable future in the built world. From design to construction, robots are reshaping the built world in ways we could only dream of a few years ago. Today, we've journeyed through a world where robots are not just figments of our imagination, but essential tools in building our future cities. We've seen how these mechanical marvels are helping architects bring their creative visions to life, assisting in everything from conceptualization to 3D modeling. Robots are revolutionizing construction sites, undertaking tasks that once required human hands like bricklaying and concrete pouring, bringing with it efficiency and precision that's truly unparalleled. We've also taken to the skies with drones, witnessing how they're becoming indispensable in urban planning and mapping, providing city planners with the data and infrastructure assessments they need to build smarter and more efficient cities. As we've seen, the relationship between humans and robots is more of a collaboration than a competition. Robots handle the heavy lifting and dangerous tasks, while humans oversee and manage the process, ensuring safety and quality. This synergy not only enhances safety, but also elevates the precision and accuracy in our building processes. Beyond the physical construction, robots and AI are contributing to a greener future. They are enabling sustainable design and eco-friendly construction practices, helping us create buildings that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also kind to our planet. But as we embrace this robotic renaissance, it's crucial to address the associated challenges and ethical considerations. Questions about job displacement and safety are valid and warrant thorough discussions. We must strive to ensure that the benefits of automation are shared equitably across society. The impact of these advancements is global. From developed nations to developing countries, the adoption of automation in construction is reshaping the built world, offering new opportunities and challenges. As we stand on the brink of a robotic renaissance, we invite you to share your thoughts on the potential of robots in construction and architecture. Engage in the conversation, explore these exciting advancements, and imagine the possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to Brainiacata for more insights into the future of technology.